Factors. Today let us see the factors enabled globalization. Here we have, over the last, as I told, the year 1990 is very important. That when in the previous class I told the year 1990, it was during that year the globalization started, and from there onwards there has been a tremendous increase in the rate of globalization. So that now we will be learning about what is the reason for this tremendous increase in the rate of globalization. What are the factors that enabled this growth of globalization? So when we analyze that, there are three major reasons for the growth of globalization. Let us see what are the three major causes for the growth of globalization. First is about the developments in the field of transportation. So what are the major developments in the field of transportation that we should know? What are the major developments that came in the field of transportation? As we all know, it is the coming of the containers. Container trucks, you must be familiar with this. This is a very common scene in our roads these days. Containers are there. These containers is one of the important development that took place after the year 1990, because there is tremendous increase in and wide use of containers. So what is the benefit of using these containers? So when they come in ship, it is easy for moving from the ship to the trucks, and trucks will carry them to the various destinations, and that made the containers very popular. And another thing is, so here the transportation technology improved. Transportation not only the containers, then we have seen many private aircraft companies came, airline companies came up, and better routes are there now, and all places are well connected with railways. So these containers are very conveniently used by the railways as well as the aircraft, and also in the shipments. Railways and shipments can use these containers very conveniently. Another thing that has helped the growth of globalization is communication. Communication technology, everything. It is transportation technology improved, communication technology improved. So if you think before the year 1990, this huge number of mobile phones were not there, and only the landline connections were there, and that too, if you have to make a call to a faraway place, you have to book a trunk call and wait for that. But now you can communicate instantly. There is not much delay if you want to communicate anything to a relative who is living in some other part of the world. So the communication became very easy. And what made the communication very easy? We know that the satellite communication these days, the satellite everywhere you can see the satellite communication, and this kind of structures are very common these days. Satellite communication made the communication network very fast and convenient. And another thing that came up is the use of internet facilities are there. These days it has become an inevitable part in the life of every individual. Internet facilities are there, and that is also another thing which made the communication very fast. For internet, we have the wireless network connectivity everywhere, so that is another factor which led to the development of communication, and that has also helped in the faster growth of globalization. And the third one is the government policies. Third one major development is the government policies. So now we will be learning about what are the government policies. So let us see what this represents the government, and let us see what are the government policies. The government policies comprise mainly about the liberalization. What is this liberalization? Earlier, the markets were very restrictive. Any markets in the sense of markets of the countries. They were everywhere. It was tied up. Very rigid restrictions were there on the markets, and it was not very free trade was not allowed. But these restrictions on the markets were removed. So restrictions imposed on the markets are removed. What could be the restriction? It can be mainly taxes. Restrictions are mainly taxes. That restrictions on markets are removed, and that is what is known as liberalization. When we remove the restrictions from market, it is known as liberalization. So these are the three factors which is responsible for the growth of MNCs or globalization. From 1990 onwards, it is a continuous process. And what are the three factors responsible for that? First one is the developments in the field of in transportation, developments in communication, and the government policies.